Hey everyone, welcome back to Techo World. Today we have one more interesting manipulation video on Photoshop. First, I will show you how to create this in Photoshop, and second, I will show you how to generate this with AI using the image. Without getting delayed, let's dive into Photoshop. Select a new file of the 1920-1080 ratio. Drag and drop the picture from the folder to Photoshop. Go to search bar and search for Generate Image. Click on this reference image and click on this Choose an Image and select the image to generate an image with the help of the reference image. Now write the prompt for the image that you want to create. Then click on this Generate. Now this generates the AI image of your reference. This makes 3 images. If you are not satisfied with this image again, you can generate the image. Well, I will go with this image. Now click on this Select Subject. This selects your subject. You can see here it has not been selected properly, so let's select the missing part with the help of Quick Selection tool. Select the part you want. Once you have selected part, select this icon to mask it. Now off this image layer, you can see here it has selected unwanted parts as well. So let's hit B for brush, and by selecting Alt I will select this outer part of the image, and I will remove this part. Now, by holding Alt with the help of the pen tool, select the subject part and brush it properly to smooth the look. Now on this image layer, now rescale it to according the TV screen size, but a little bigger than it. Now, I will off this layer. Go to Lasso tool and draw it on the TV screen from corner to corner. Now on Generate Image layer, go to the Select toolbar here and select the inverse. Hit B for the brush and erase this part which is outside of the TV except its head and legs part. Again, go to Select tool and select the inverse. Hit B for brush, and by holding Alt select the generated image part and select this part with the help of the pen tool. To select the image part, only the inside part of the TV. Here you can see the error. Let's fix it. To do it again, select the Lasso tool and draw the lines for this part only and brush it properly. Let's do to here also. Now go to color balance. I will bring this layer below this generated image. In color balance, let's make some adjustments of color. I will go here with our subject image color. Now we will convert this to an AI-generated video with the help of this image, so let's export it. Now open Pika.art. The link I have shared is in the description, you can check it over there. Click on this edit. Now click on this image or video. Export our image into this. Then write the prompt. Then click on this icon, which is like a star. It takes some time to generate, so wait for some time. Once it generates, you can see the generated video like this one. If you are not satisfied with this output, you can regenerate it by changing the prompt. Download this video by clicking on this download option. Now open the Premiere Pro. Drag both the image and video as well and place it one above one. This is to mask this watermark part, and to look similar to this video. If you want, you can skip this part. With the pen tool, I will mask this part and I will give the scale and position animation. At this point, I will fix it properly. Hope this video has been helpful to you. Please do not forget to give the like and subscribe to my channel. To watch more videos and to be the first viewer of my video, hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification when I upload my new videos. Thank you for your patience in watching it up to the end. I will meet you in the next video with some more interesting videos. Have a nice day and take care.